Hello all and welcome from Sprout Plus. This is your host Emmanuel and welcome to yet another video from Sprout Plus. Alright, today we'll discuss about how to create a logo for free within 5 minutes of your time. It's very easy and simple, and today we're gonna use canva.com for this purpose. And as you can see, canva.com looks like this. This is the homepage of canva.com. Alright, so Canva.com has a lot of predefined styles which you can see over here. It can be an invitation, website, infographic, whatever. Alright, let's search for logo. And Canva.com has a lot of logo designs. And here you can see a lot of logos which are pre-designed for you. And you can choose one of these. But these are all pro version. So alright, if you want to see only the free logos, you can always go to the drop down over here and select free. There you go. You can look at a lot of free logo designs which are available. So you can choose one of these designs and make a nice little logo for yourself and your business. You might have a business or a blog or a website. Whatever you need is canva.com has already predefined styles. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on blank, create blank logo, and my page looks like this. As you can see, canva.com has already decided the size of the logo. Alright, so on the left over here, it has already loaded free logo styles that was available earlier for us. Alright, if you want to do something more, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can use the slider over here. And also if you want to go back to the fit position, you can click on fit over here and come back to the fit position. Alright, so if you want to add a page, you can click over here, but as far as we are concerned, for a logo we don't need another page, so I'm gonna delete it. Alright, first of all, I need a logo for my website design company. So I'm gonna go ahead and design a logo which will be very appealing. So I'm gonna search for templates, and under this elements tab I'm gonna search for website. And as you can see, there are a lot of elements as well as pictures loading up here. So this is very uncomfortable for me. I need only the elements. I don't need these pictures because I don't want to include pictures in the logo. So there must be a solution for this. I don't like these pictures being loaded here. So I'll go ahead and click on graphics, and it displays only the graphics. So it's cool. So I can select whatever the element I want to include in my logo. So this is how you do it. Alright, I like this monitor, so I'm gonna drag it and place it over here. Once I drag it and place it, and if I drag it again, I'm doing now, you can see the guidelines that Canva automatically shows, which helps me in positioning the icon where I want. So it is a very useful feature in Canva. So alright, I'm gonna place it over here. We don't want to use the same color, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the colors that is available over here. And first of all, I'm gonna change the neck. I'm gonna change the neck's color to orange. Alright, looks great. And now I'm gonna change the border of the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and click here, and change it to black. Alright, now I want to change the screen's color also. So I'll go ahead and change the color to light gray. Alright, this looks better. So what I have done here is I made the logo look unique and different. I've changed the colors so that it doesn't look like a stock logo image. I'm confused whether to place it in the middle or at the top or at top it is. Now that's done. Alright, having said that, I'll click on the text button over here, and there are a lot of predefined text that is available for me, and I'm gonna hover through this and find the perfect text for my logo. All I need is a simple and appealing logo, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a heading, and in the heading area I'm gonna type in Beetle Designs. I'll make little changes, I'll make little alterations and place it. I'll change this to uppercase. Looks good to me. I'll click on elements and I'll search for a nice beetle to include in my logo, and I'm gonna click on graphics straight away. What I'm looking for is an appealing beetle which I can include in my logo. Alright, I think this would do. So I'm gonna drag it and place it over here. I'm gonna resize it and I'm gonna make it look like it's inside the screen. Looks great. Even a little bit smaller, and I'm positioning it. Looks great. Alright, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to change the font of the designs text over here. So I think this looks good. Alright, now I'm gonna reposition this text a little bit so that it looks exactly in the middle. Looks nice. I would like to change the color of the Beetle text here. So I'm gonna select the text, and in the colors area I'm gonna choose a bright color. Red would be nice, and that's it. This looks nice and professional. I'll reposition it once again. I'll keep the designs a little bit on the left or on the right. Right looks better. Alright, perfect. As you can see, I've made a nice looking logo over here, and within 5 minutes of time. Now all I have to do is I have to download this image. Alright, for downloading that, you have to click on download and please select the PNG option over here. There are a lot of saving options, but I would recommend you to select PNG, and you can click on the download, and the image is getting downloaded. Alright, I'll save it. Now let's look at the preview. Wow, this looks very nice and professional. So this is how you design the logo in canva.com within 5 minutes of time. That's it from me. I hope this video was very useful for you guys. Until we meet in the next video, see you all, and if you like our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.